Hello, what up, chat? Welcome to the stream. How you guys doing? Happy Tuesday. Ooh, what's up, Skylon? Good afternoon. Evan, ni hao. Kevin, what's going on? Digital Nukes, good morning. KZ Advisory, good morning. Eddie, how you doing? Digital Nukes, you're still trading. Lucid 50K giveaway. 8 days, 1K drawdown, grinding back from 200. Best of luck to you. You can do it. Miguel, what's up? Good morning. Oh, you know what? I forgot to turn my lights on. There we go. Let there be light. Miguel, good morning. Arnesis, how you doing? What's up, Grizz? Ronald. What's up, FFF? Lover. Native. What's up, Tran? How you doing? Good morrow. Elbuz Tatiable. Man, there's got to be a better nickname there somewhere. Good morning to you. Elb, how you doing? All right, all right. Beatsville, good morning. What's going on? All righty. NASDAQ up 0.45% as we head into open. Breaking above 25,500. It's a pretty good level there. We're in a Jizu right now. The classic Jizu. Green zone of opportunity here. So obviously, you know, we get above previous day high. We're going to be in some supply zones, but we can keep grinding on up. Definitely like maybe 700 if we can get a really nice bullish trend day. 700 would be pretty sweet. Down below, I would look for this area, 30-minute demand, this little red zone of terror here, down here. I would look for that. It's an RZOT for sure, if I ever saw one. What's up, Jacob? How you doing? Michelle, what's up from Australia? Ethan, hello. Buddha Goalie, what up? How you doing? Yeah, Eddie loves a good RZOT. I knew he would. I knew Eddie would like that. Eddie's an RZOT fanatic. We're having fun. We're having fun here. All right, I think today I'm gonna trade tick accounts just straight on Project X, just because the trade copy's been a little bit weird. I do have some My Fun Features evals that I will probably trade just here in Edge Pro X using TradeSyncer, because those are trade evates, and I don't really like trading on trade evate for trade copying. So I'll probably use that Edge Pro X, you know, Motive Wave for the My Fun Feature evals, Project X for the 10 tick accounts. So yesterday, you know, I ended the stream down pretty close to my personal daily loss limit, my increased personal daily loss limit, and I scout back to break even on the day. I was like, all right, good, reset. And then I was, you know, slinging around one mini, just trying to get my 12 points, 13 points, and I ended up back minus 600 on the day. So that was a little frustrating day yesterday, but it's all right. Starting fresh today. Dan, good morning. Evan, I don't think anyone said that. Golden, what's up? Good morning. How you doing? So back at 25,500 here. Prop from Gorilla. Let's check news. Is that it? Nothing? I got nothing on the schedule, really. All right. If you say so, Prop from Gorilla. Let's have a great session here.
This is all wet and slick and it's ready to go.
All right, whatever freaking message chain the mods are in without me, where they talk about trolling me, cut it out. I'm gonna get rid of your dental. No Christmas bonus this year. Oh man. What's up, Ghetto Twinkie? How you doing? G-Man, what's going on? I'm gonna just have to like start fresh with all new mods, I think, for 2026. Mods have become unhinged. Did I mention a Christmas bonus? I don't know, Evan. Oscar, what's up? How you doing? Did I delete did I move a zone? What to my 30-minute demand I had? Not seeing it. Let's mark it again here. G-Many volunteers tribute. All right. OGKZ, what's up? I've been good, thank you. I think you should upload 400 videos from your archive within 20 seconds again. That got the subs going last time. All I was doing was pushing live streams public, and I didn't think it was going to send a push notification to everybody. But it did. It did. Yeah. My nuts, hop off them. Oh, man. All right. So a little battle there underneath 25,500. Now a nice push through overnight highs there. I'm waiting for all this just to shake out. Yeah, good spot in the divergence there on ESNQ. Pretty clearly. Stronger on NASDAQ here. Yes, just kind of chopping around. But NASDAQ's looking pretty good here. Yeah, previous day high, a few points away. Hold above there. Definitely get up to, you know, mid 600s this morning. Could be nice. What's the difference between max delta and delta? I don't know. What's the context there? Where are you seeing max delta? Footprint chart. Difference between max delta and delta. I don't know what max delta would be on the footprint unless it's just telling you what. I have to look at it for myself. I can't think of what that exactly. If it's showing you like max the highest delta for a range or something, I don't know. Wow, nice rips there. 600, 10 points away. Pretty quick 100 points there. All right, 603 hit here. Nice job, G-Man. 1.5K done for the day. Awesome. All right, man. Have a great day. We'll catch you tomorrow. Gotta love a quick early morning, making some profit and going on about your day. And that's why we're all doing this, right? Freedom. What's up, Ethan? You passed 3 MF50 cores, a Pro 50K, and 5 Lucids. Wow. That rally did you well. I hope you get a payout on everything, man. You can do it. I don't do stream recaps, Trent. Not really. Every once in a while I'll make a short, but I haven't really done that consistently since, I don't know, last year or something. Yeah, Eddie. I don't know about Cleveland, but we got like, I don't know, 8 to 10 inches of snow around here over the weekend. So it is a winter wonderland outside. Do got a nice cup of coffee. We're chilling. Got nowhere to go. I mean, I'll go to the gym later probably, but I don't have to. Having that option to stay home inside all day when it's Cold and snowy outside is a nice option to have. Nice. Oh, it's 42 degrees for Grizz. Dude, it's 18 degrees here in Chicago. It's gnarly. It's gnarly outside. You must get cold in the snow in your Hooters outfit. We're not... I don't want people to... Look, I don't want a bunch of people coming to my workplace, you know, asking me stock questions while I'm in my booty shorts, okay? I don't want people to know about it. I keep those lives separate. Doing any giveaways today? I don't have much left. I gotta ask some of these firms for some giveaway codes. I could do an Apex giveaway today. Oh, you know what? I might have a Tradeify growth account. Tradeify 50K growth account I could give away. So why don't we do 50K Tradeify? We'll do that today, since you asked so nicely. We gotta get likes up though. That's all I ask. If you're in the stream and you're waiting for a setup, you know, we're chopping here at 600. Go ahead and hit the likes real quick. The thumbs up button real quick. Forever Noble, do the dogs like the snow? I mean, Chesterfield, he's the black dog with the long, fluffy coat. He loves the snow. Gabagool has shorter hair. He's always cold. He has a shorter fur. And so, like, when we took him out in it over the weekend, he ran under the car where there was no snow. But yesterday we did a nice walk in it, so. I still like the longs here. A little bit of a, you know, pull back to 60s, 70s would be a little bit better. Do you know any book or something that can help with psychology and trading? Definitely Best Loser Wins, I think, is the best one for that, for me anyway. Did I take any action on that bull run? No, not trades yet. I you know, it was in the first, like, what, 6-7 minutes? I don't generally trade that. My 50% rule did for that 50% mark I had for Globex yesterday was really good. I think we bounced off there into close. Yeah, look at this. This is yesterday. This 50% of Globex range. Bounce, 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 bounce. It's really solid. Really solid. Looks like I don't need it anymore though, so I'll delete it. But it was a hopeful little level there. And now we got 142 points in about 9 minutes. What's up, Lupek? How you doing? Blue your Apex. Sorry to hear it. Apex is tough. What's up, Lupek? How you doing, man? One of your rules is never get in at open. Yeah, I mean, you know, people in chat here do it often and, you know, generally with success. So sometimes I want to trade like that too, but I generally don't. When is the Lucid Flex sale over? I'm not sure if they posted a expiration on that one. Oh, December 3rd. So tomorrow at 5 p.m. Eastern. to 600. How many trades did you do in your back test when you're still in the process of finding a strategy? I mean, I haven't back tested this. It's not really something that's as mechanical, where backtesting really, I find, really helps. You know, with price action and order flow, I find it a little bit tougher to actually backtest without spending like 2 years doing it. So, but generally for trades to backtest, I mean, look, 100 I think is bare minimum, and that might not be enough. I like that pullback better there. Look at ES. That is some divergence, huh? ES has almost added session lows already. ES only went 13.5 points compared to 142 essentially. Hope you made money on that, KZ. I'll try this on the FFU combine here. Evals, whatever it's called. Hola, good morning. How you doing? What's up, Botan? Good morning. Money didn't like November too well. Yeah, hopefully December solid. I'd like to end the year strong. All right. Cut the trade there here. $155 loss. ES is not doing me any favors here. VWAP creeping up there on ES, about 68, 39 and 3/4. Well, I don't have a whole lot to say right now. Just watching this little consolidation here. Second day of using TradeSync and literally did not copy my biggest win. It's frustrating, man. It's really frustrating. I know the pain. My only recommendation is in the morning, before the session, just make sure, refresh app.tradesync.com, check your connections, check your cockpit, and then do a test limit order. That's what I do, every time. Throw the test, make sure in the cockpit I see it copying in trade, for instance, this is copying over to Tradeovate and Tradeovate. Make sure that's pulled up and you can make sure it's copying. But yeah, like Riley said, we could try reestablishing the connection, but yeah, it is something that you have to just be so I can't think of the word right now. You just have to be really on top of it though, so you don't get screwed. I mean, I always leave it on Asian Hustle for the most part. Riley says he turns it off when he's done. I mean, that's true. If I hit my profit on tick, then I turn off the tick connection. But yeah, as long as the limit orders are firing in the morning, that generally things are working. All right, there's VWAP, the 69 3/4, now about 40, where VWAP was at on ES. That just got hit. Tick Trader doesn't allow copy traders, right? I don't know any rule against copy trading. I mean, they let you trade 10 accounts. I don't know, money. I use a trade copier. Pretty sure I was using TradeSync the first payout round on tick, and it was fine. So I don't know. I haven't seen anything about that. Nice divergence here lining up with VWAP. I don't like the candles for long, says Evan. I want to be convinced that VWAP is going to hold here on ES. Don't feel that right now. Slice down to 40s. That's what I wouldn't mind seeing there. Yeah, mine you do. I have that trade secret video like pretty much written, where I kind of walk through that whole process. I have to add like one more little bit, and then I can film it, edit it, try to get it out the door. See if I have time today to do it. So far, our VWAP hold is good there on ES. It's looking kind of dicey there for a little bit. Go push them highs, I guess, huh? All right, chat, just a reminder, if you want to do a giveaway for 50K growth account on Tradeify, gotta hit the thumbs up button. That's all I ask in return. We're giving out all these codes. Gave out a bunch 2 weeks ago. We did a 20K. We did 20 50K Lucid accounts on a couple Fridays ago. Giving out dozens of codes. And all I ask is hit the thumbs up button. Easy peasy. $600 here. Got that old megaphone pattern playing out. Almost. Trinity, this is these are TickTick accounts. They're funded TickTick accounts, but it's not Top Step, it's TickTick. It's their S2F Plus. Is there any money in trading live on YouTube? Depends on how you do it, I guess. From an ad revenue through YouTube standpoint, not for me. But you know, there's the affiliate aspect of it. You know, if you like the stream, you want to support the channel, you like Prop from Gorilla, you want to support the website, you can do it with the affiliate signups. All right, nice move there off VWAP there. That ended up being a really nice hold. Evan, I guess we should have just gone with that divergence play, huh? What's up, Parshaf? How you doing, man? Nice move there. This is what NASDAQ needed. NASDAQ just needed ES to just hold, find support, you know? There we go. right, so right now, I want to see how this 5-minute candle closes out here. If it closes around here, nice and strong. I guess I would just look for retest of these highs to hold and go long on there. That's a nice 16-point pump there on ES. Pretty good. Turbo, you had a limit order at 562. Didn't get filled in 562. Ooh, so close. Five-minute candle should close pretty strong. Take any trades. What was the early trade here? It's a long at 84 on my fun feature eval. All right, so again, nice close there in the 5. Be nice to see a pullback to this, opening high here. See that hold. I don't know if we'll get it. Pre-market was rough last 500. How do you sign into TickTick? Well, if you already have an account, you can go to the link for the dashboard. It's like app.tickticktrader.com or something. Turbo, yeah, yesterday I did not enjoy it. Pretty tough day trading wise. Remember, it's always better to be better off to be flat on the day than red. Yeah, absolutely. Turbo, you want to be short so bad, really? After these 5 and 15-minute candles? Those don't make me want to short. And, you know, break and hold of 25,500 there in Globex and into the open. To me, it looks like setting up just a bullish trend day. Obviously, that could change at any point, but I don't want to fight it. True, but the range is so big. Yeah, it's true. Yeah, that's a big range. Do you have a coupon code for the Project X API? No, I don't. Nope. Just got to bite the bullet on that one. I have no idea what you're talking about, Trent. No idea what you're talking about. It's the API one-time payment. I think it's $30 a month. The world doesn't want me to trade. I swear, Top Step's website is broken for you, Froggy. Oh, man. Well, I tell you what. Just waiting here. And we're getting close to the level I want us to retest here. Just that opening high here. Yeah, trading expenses can get out of control pretty fast. I mean, I don't love that 5-minute candle, but let's see what happens here. Well, there's the retest of the level I wanted. Want to get book map, but can't justify the price. Yeah, I mean, you could do Lucid or Funded Features Network. Get Motive Wave and use my heat map template there. Might have to take this trade. Doesn't really feel that good though. All right. I mean, it's doing what I wanted to see, I guess. So, them's the rules. I'll take it. Break even. Back-ish? Yeah, I don't know what's going on. The internet's been really good lately. Everything's been behaving itself. So I didn't see that was just a scratch. That trade. P&L minus $1. I think I'm gonna regret how I handled this trade. It's a break-even trade, Trent. Nice if you do. Assume it was an L, though. Look at these wicks, man. They're just kind of gnarly. Digital Nukes, you grabbed a Flex 25K. Code Gorilla, thanks for the support. Good luck on the Lucid. Do you do TikTok too, or just YouTube Shorts? I don't do TikTok. I do YouTube Shorts mostly, sometimes an Instagram Reel, but it's the same thing from YouTube Short to Instagram. Want to grab coffee whenever you leave the desk, something happens? Well, we'll promise not to do anything, Parshav, while you go get coffee. I'm just going to sit here so nicely. Definitely not trade max size. Definitely not going to do anything exciting. Promise. Sorry, Froggy. I feel like the Top Step website and a lot of the prop firm websites, like the first hour of like open, they're like, you know, they're kind of, everyone's on there, you know? So I feel like sometimes it's a little bit more prone to technical issues. Sorry to hear it, man. Hope you feel better, Froggy, and we'll catch you tomorrow. All right, here's another test of this level. Didn't really get the reaction off of it like I was hoping for. Low-key, if you want a full port, it'd be good content. Why? Everyone in the comments will just say, gambler, gambler. I'd rather be a better trader than like a good content generator, you know what I'm saying? Sliding all over the place here. I like the up move still. Let's try it here. All right, take a little bit off that one. Wait, I promised Parshov I wouldn't do anything. Just a little 12-point grab there on two minis. I think we're gonna grind up this morning here. Trading mini all of a sudden. That's on my fun feature evals. So yeah, I trade those a little heavier. I'm a mad lad. I'm a mad lad, dude. So the level worked out well. Just a retest of that opening high. Had to do it a couple times. I know, Parsha. Sorry, buddy. Honestly, I do want to long it again on tick tick this time. Just like to get it a little bit lower. Does one account have profit score of 7? No, the one account that I got a payout on, I blew it the next day because I only had the $200 to draw down. Yeah, I'm green. That's just the evals. Back up the level again. Not sure exactly what to make of this. You know, maybe sweeping down to 600 before the move up could be interesting. Actually, get your BPM on the screen. You connect the heart rate monitor to an app called Pulsoid. It's like a little, you know, they have widgets and stuff. And then, you know, in OBS, it's like a browser, you know, use a browser overlay or whatever it's called, browser source with the Pulsoid widget URL. It is pretty cool. I mean, it works pretty flawlessly for the most part. It's like, you know, pretty instantaneous feedback too. You know, if I like, every time I do like a deep stretch, my heart rate spikes. So like, let's see if it's a spike that time. A little bit, yeah, a little bit. Does your gym trainer ever check your heart rate on stream? I hope not. So, all right, here's the sweep down to 600s that I mentioned. I still like the long, so let's see if we bounce off VWAP here on ES. Maybe, maybe not. To me, I feel like this could just be flushing out some longs, but this is picking up now. It's picking up a little bit, making me second guess the long idea there. Wow. There's a fast move down to PDH there. PDL? PDH? PDH. All right. Pretty interesting move, honestly. What's going on here? Is there like some news thing drop? It's kind of weird. Huh. I'm just gonna try, see if we can get a little boost out of here. No, that's why I was on the evals. A bit risky there. But location-wise, you know, this is where we are, bottom of that consolidation. So that's, and we are wicking here pretty hard. So that's why could see a fast pop up. Right now it's a VWAP projection on ES, break and retest. This is all over the place here. Nice shot, Francisco. See if I can get filled here. I did get filled. Looking for a quick pop-up. Nah, pressure's still to the downside here. We're pretty close to VWAP there. VIX is up to 1815 off of its lows of like 1795. I'm pretty sure our VIX was starting to move up before we got this drop. I was watching. I was like, curious. All right. Well, I'm gonna look for the push down now. Might be a mistake, actually. Let's see. VWAP is 27s. Something like that.
We don't make mistakes. We have happy accidents.
A little lost there. The Bob Ross really does take the sting out, doesn't it? I think so. Think they had a Bob Ross energy drink for a while? Dude, you gotta be kidding. Do you want Bob Ross energy? It's like a sleepy time tea. What are you trading? I'm trading NASDAQ futures. Bias today? Thought the upside looked pretty good. On a break and hold of 25,500. Okay. No, Paul, I'm on a V6. V7 kept crapping out. I mean, I only tried it like one day, and you know, at the open, I bet you experienced this too, where it just kind of froze up. So I just went back to 6. Yeah, I think the market's kind of shitty right now, Turbo. Here's 600. Okay. Let's pretend that drop didn't happen, guys. Let's get back to this slow grind up we were working on. I said sweep down to 600, not sweep down to freaking 530. Flushing out any longs there. Nice job, Digital Nukes, passing your 25K. GG's. Sorry to hear that, Eddie. That's interesting. A free XFA, just send it. Yeah. Stretch style. Just a reminder, chat, we can do a giveaway of a Tradeify growth account. Do need to hit that thumbs up button, though, on the stream. Get those likes up there. Incentivize me to give it away. Head and shoulders on the 5. Yeah. I mean, depending on how we close out here, though. So right now it's just a shoulder and a head. We haven't formed the other. We have the dip, but we haven't really formed the next shoulder. Right, so. Kind of getting above the, you know, just back up to the highs where it might just invalidate any head and shoulder. It's this person needs to go to a chiropractor. On ES. Yeah, okay, ES looks like it has the potential to be a little cleaner here. I'll probably do the giveaway. Well, assuming we get the likes, do around 10:15. So about half hour. What platform to use? I'm using Fun and Futures Network is the one here in MotiveWave. Doing tick accounts here, Project X. And the trades here in MotiveWave are copying over to 5 My Fun and Future evals. So it's 3 different firms. Struggling here in the 20s. Should pop higher to highs here on NASDAQ, right? There we go. It's new highs on ES too. Any zero prints? I don't have any showing up here. All right, so that was a little detour there. Interrupting the bullish grind for the morning. Took the Jizu trade, and now my mortgage is paid off. Thanks, Dan. Honestly, that was a Jizu trade. This is a Jizu from yesterday. I drew this, I believe I drew it on stream, but maybe pre-market. But this was what I was looking for yesterday, and we could see we turned around just before previous day high, so we didn't tag into it. And today we tagged into it in a pre-market Globex, and then dipped down into it again. Ended up being pretty sweet, actually. Marsha, I've taken Evan to school there in chat. All right, 1 hour supply zone hit here. You guys are nuts. Oh man, you mods are freaking crazy, I tell you what. All right, reminder, Tradeify giveaway, running about, I don't know, 20 minutes or so. Just hit the thumbs up button to trigger that giveaway. Oh man. Evan gifting a membership just to prove that Parshav can't win it. Thank you, I guess. What's up, Guillermo? How you doing? Does Apex still have payout windows? I don't know. I don't remember. Rachel liked the stream, not because of the giveaway, just out of the goodness of her heart. Well, there you go, chat. She doesn't need any extrinsic rewards for liking the stream. She just does it because it's the right thing to do. Apex asked Brett to show his strategy in the form of interpretive dance, and they sent him a leotard to wear where he filmed it. Is this normal? Yeah, that's kind of par for the course with Apex. They really like traders in leotards. They have a whole Instagram devoted to it, but it's private Instagram. Not everyone can see it. It's pretty interesting. You know why they mock you, Parshav? It has nothing to do with Zero Prince. It's just because they like rage baiting you, that's all. That's true, Parshav. They made you wear a tutu, Trent. Only a tutu. Wow. Yeah, Apex is getting weirder and weirder by the day. All right, 65 likes. Let's get to 80 to do the giveaway. There's plenty of you in here to make it happen. Just requires you to pop on over, hit the thumbs up button, and someone's going to get a free Tradeify account. Not a bad deal. Trade Joe traded well in September, October, and November. Start of December just getting wrecked. It's only been 2 days though. I mean, I didn't trade well yesterday. Today's pretty rocky. So to me, it's a little bit wonky. So I'm not too concerned. I do find it a little frustrating, but it's just the way it is. I did see that Parshov. Yeah. Rage bait was Oxford's word of the year. Yeah. Pretty funny. Zero percent 6-7. Kids are so dumb. 'Kay, there's some volatility hitting. I don't even know what is going on. I have no idea what this is about. This is dicey as hell, huh? Uh-oh. They're testing the tornado siren here in town. Dogs be barking. How come one chart is named NQ 1 minute and the other is NQ baby 1 minute? Well, in Motive Wave, you have like analyses, and so you can name the analyses and that'll match all of your settings and whatnot. Like your drawings and everything will sync across the analyses, and so that's just the analysis for this chart. It's just a Motive Wave thing. All the dogs in the neighborhood start howling. Evan, you're not gonna have a girlfriend for long, are you? All right, chat, 10 more likes. Do the giveaway. Tradeify growth account, 50K. Just tuned in to any good trades? Nah, not really. I had one good trade. That was sorry about that. I don't know what OBS is doing. Maybe the cold is just freezing those coax cables. I don't know. Market's being very whipsawy here. Feels treacherous. Might as well full port, right? Yeah, there still is Jizu here. I just didn't extend it all the way. 600 level here. All right, I need 7 more of you to like the stream if you want to do a giveaway. Otherwise, I'll just end the stream and we'll go home. I'll do the giveaway another day when you're not feeling so withholding, chat. Is this song new? No, it's relatively new to the playlist, but it's not a new song. It's an old one. I didn't know if it would be too crazy for the stream. Kind of went off on this one. Oh, thanks, Evan. Thank you. Oh, man. All right. 2 more likes, 2 more likes. I'm going to be optimistic here and open Streamlabs, assuming we're going to get those 2 likes. Okay, chat. Did we get to 80? Oh, we did. We blew through it. Well done. Knew you had it in you. Okay. Oh, hang on. I have an old giveaway I gotta freaking cancel. Hang on. The active giveaway. Cancel. Okay. Wait, make it to 800. I don't think we'll get 800 likes today. Maybe tomorrow. Tomorrow there's a chance. Right at VWAP here on ES again. So to enter, and type in exclamation point gorilla in chat. We're gonna run this for 5 minutes. Parshav had a stroke there. VWAP on NASDAQ incoming here. Boom. There it is. Boom, boom. This is some wacky price action for real. We're doing we've had a few elevator ups, I guess, but definitely elevators down. It just feels like those could come out of nowhere. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna pick the winner here. We'll do the wheel spin. So I'm not gonna pick it in chat in like Streamlabs. I'm gonna pick we'll do this wheel spin. It was fun to do on those Lucid giveaways. I like the wheel spin. And the winner's gonna DM me on Discord. So far, only 26 of you have typed in exclamation point gorilla correctly. If you are purposely typing it in incorrectly, I'm disqualifying you. Lupek. Miguel, you're still here? Wow. You're never here this late. What have you made of this price action, dude? It's been a bit nuts. I'm not a fan. Here's overnight highs. View op retest here. Not really seeing the spike up in VIX like I did before. I mean, it spiked up, but it rejected pretty quick. And here we are at these like relative lows. I would expect VIX to be a bit higher here. Or continuation down. All right, got about 3.5 minutes left on the giveaway here. Exclamation point gorilla to win a Tradeify growth account, 50K. Could we get a bounce here? It's not a bad area. We got 500, 40 points below. No worries, Ronald. Do what you gotta do. Wasn't it like just the... Are you like teaching soccer at school? It's like middle of school day, right? All right. All right, it's been 5 minutes, so I'm going to close out this giveaway here. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay. Got 44 entries. Okay. Winner is going to DM me in Discord. I'll send you the code that way. Here we go. The winner is not Parshov. Jacob. Is it going to be you? It is you. How many have you won? You've won at least one, two. You've won two before, right? Did you win? Did you win three, maybe? Well, nice job, Jacob. That's three. Nice job. Pays to be part of the stream, doesn't it? So, DM me on Discord. You got it, man. Congrats. Rigged?
I didn't do fucking shit. I didn't rig shit.
Waiting for Evan to message me on Discord telling me that he is Jacob. Nice moves. Why no big wins? I don't know how to catch these moves. I tell you, I don't know how to catch them. The moves down have been kind of waterfalls that I haven't really been able to anticipate. I don't know. I'm just not I'm not clicking well with this market. I don't think Carmen took any trades today. Oh, right. Hi, Jacob here. Give a count, please. Every time. There's a nice drop. You long the 50% tap on ES, and I was doing... when I was doing it, I thought about you. Thank you. I hope you all think about me when you're doing it. No, I don't. Let's be specific. When you're trading 50% retracements, I hope you think of me. Let's put it that way. All right, here's 500 level. Okay, good, Evan. See, this is why I assume you have relationship problems. Have to trade larger time frames. You know. Yeah, maybe so. But here I don't even know. Like this 15 minutes, it's kind of been all over the place. And you know, look, I'm scalping. I'm looking for $250 on Tick. And that's pretty scalpy, right? So gotta trade the H4 time frame as a day trader scalper. You gotta be. I assume you're trolling, right? I definitely look at the 4 hour. I'm definitely not trading on it for scalping. That'd be nuts. Market can move, obviously, a ton in 4 hour window. So that's new lows on NASDAQ. Wow. This is all over the place here. Probably have a nice trend line here on ES. See if we get a little bounce here. Well, chat, I don't know what else to do here. Coming into a 30-minute demand zone. We got a RZOT here, red zone of terror. It's not really. It's honestly more of a G-zoom. It's like these made-up terms don't even mean anything. I'm going to see if I can scalp back out of this $300 hole here on tick accounts. But unfortunately, Part Shop, I don't have any Tradeify Lightning fundeds to give away. But I think I'm going to call it there. There's a nice tap of that 30-minute demand to the tick. Ooh, gray zone of confusion. That's a good trend. I like it. All right, Chad. Thanks for hanging out today. I hope you had a better session than I did. But get after it again Wednesday. Always looking to improve. Always trying to get better. Come hang out in the Discord if you want. Free trading community. ! Discord in chat to get the link. And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Later.